walang... Ay! Oh my God! Oh my God! May nagpaputok! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Nagpaputok! Oh my God! Sir? Oh my God! Sir, what's happening? Oh my God! Cheryl Julius! Nagpaputok! Nagpaputok yung mga baril! Bakit? Oh my God! Oh my God! Naka-almas na rin! Naka-almas! At may mga rilis! Hindi na tayo ngayon! Nakarinig tayo na! Oh my God! Sinidisperse kami! Sinidisperse kami! Tapos, pagkaroon ng putukan! What's happening?
Wala kami ang pasambat.
Mga kapatid, habang naghihintay kami, ay nagkaroon ng putukan. Ah! Oh my God! Kuya, what's happening? Oh my God, Shelly Julius, nagkakaputukan dito! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
What is happening? NBI, what is happening? Why are we under attack here? I don't know what's happening, but I do not know if I can keep my people safe here. I'm willing to go out. I'm willing to face anyone who is going to serve the warrant or do whatever. I told you, you're welcome to serve. But do not do this. So please help us. Please let us know what is happening here.
We have not verified who the perpetrators were.
Guys, don't push!
I am here to make sure of everyone's safety.
Ayan.
Okay? I cannot answer anymore until I go inside. My only order so far was to secure the centers and to secure the CCTV room so we can make sure who entered, where they entered from. After that, I have no further information. There have been no reports of any casualty, and I am not here to arrest Senator Bato. Okay? I am here to, in fact, to secure him.